Hello everyone, I'm Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will step by step to show you how to create a new sequence in Premiere Pro. 2023. This video is targeted towards beginners. Before we begin the program, if you are interested in learning more information about Premiere Pro editing software, please subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell or receive more related videos. Now, let's get started.
First, open Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 and you can see the welcome screen. Next, here, you can either create a new project or open an existing project or here. Here, I am going to directly open my project called Pro002. If you don't have one, you can click on New Project to create a new project. Now, click on File, then click New, and select Sequence. This will allow you to create a new sequence directly. Here, you can see Sequence 01 with various preset templates and dimensions. Many standard sizes, like the landscape aspect ratio used by YouTube, 1080 pixels high and 1920 pixels wide, can be found here. If you want to change the dimensions, for example, if you need a portrait-oriented size, click on Settings. Here, with an aspect ratio of 16:9, which is the standard landscape size. If you want a portrait size, you can modify the width to 1080 pixels and the height to 1920 pixels. The aspect ratio will be 9:16, which is a portrait orientation. Sequence name section, you can see 01. This is the name of the first sequence. You can create multiple sequences within the project. If you want to keep the name as Sequence 01, you can leave it as is. However, if you want to change it, simply type in the desired name and click OK, then click OK to see its effect. Now, you can see that it has changed to 9:16, which means it has transformed from landscape orientation to portrait orientation. But today, let's continue using the landscape orientation as an example, so we'll switch back to 1920. Then its height will be changed to 1080. Now you can see that it has returned to the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the landscape orientation. Another way to create a new sequence is by using the shortcut key Ctrl+N. Now, you can see that it has created another sequence. In the sequence name, it's labeled as Sequence 2, and you can see it here. You can also find Sequence 2 inches in the project window. Another method to create a sequence is by right-clicking in the project window at an empty space. After that, click on New Item, then choose Sequence from the options. In the sequence name, label it as Sequence 3. If you click OK, you will see another sequence named Sequence 3 inches here. I don't want to keep it for now, simply click on Cancel to cancel the creation. Here, to cancel these several sequences, right-click the mouse and click Clear. Another method to create a new sequence is as follows. In the project panel, left-click and hold on an empty space. Then drag to select the media, video files, you want to edit. While holding the mouse left button, drag the selected media directly onto the timeline and you will see a blue line. Click and drag the blue line left or right to preview the video. Now I press the shortcut key, Ctrl+Z to cancel. You can also create a new sequence using the small New Item icon in the bottom right corner of the project panel. The first option is for creating a sequence. Left-click on it to create a new sequence. Another method to create a new sequence, simply click on the Media, video file, in the project panel, then right-click with the mouse and select New Sequence from Clip. Alternatively, you can select the media you want to edit, right-click, and choose New Sequence from Clip. All the selected media will be added to the timeline. If you don't have any practice materials, here's what you can do. click on Help, and then select Premiere Pro Online Tutorials. Choose your location, and you will be taken to the Premiere Pro homepage. Choose Create a Project and import your clip section. Click on Get Files to download the necessary files. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file which is a compressed file. Unzip it and then go to the video folder. You will find video and audio files for your practice, while the MP3 and WAV files are audio files. The MP4 files are video files. You can use them for your practice.
That's all of today's video. If you are interested in learning about basic editing skills in Adobe Premiere Pro, please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell to receive more about Premiere Pro editing videos.